guys, my name is Michelle. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick voiceover on this look. This is pretty bronzy and, what's it called? Like glowy. Yeah, it's very simple, but it makes you look very put together. I ended up loving it. I don't usually wear any eyeshadow. I just kind of go with black eyeliner. This time I kind of smoked it out and I really like it. I'm really enjoying it. But yes, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look and what products I use, make sure to keep watching. Also, all the products will be down in the description box.
So first I'm starting off with my Bobbi Brown primer, and for my face I'm going to be mixing my Bobbi Brown Glowy Moisturizer with my CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition foundation. We're going to be mixing those to get a glow, and just going to be putting that on with a beauty blender that Miriam left. And then I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal all my under circles. And also putting my Frankie Rose Cosmetics concealer to brighten up a little bit. I'm using my Full Spectrum concealer from CoverGirl. I do not know what shade, but I put it down below. I'm using that to contour. And then I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in Temp to bake under my eyes and bake all the places where I put concealer. And then I've moved into my Full Spectrum powder. This one is the exact same shade of my skin, so I kind of just dust this all over my face and dust off the bake with it so I don't get flashback. Then I'm going with my Iconic London contouring palette and contouring my nose. And I'm also going to bake a little bit because I'm moving on to eyeshadow. But then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I have a full eyebrow routine in Spanish and English. I will put it down below. I'm starting off with a bit of a transition shade, using like a little orange color from my Anastasia Renaissance palette. And then I'm moving on to my BH Cosmetics palette. I'll link it down below. I'm grabbing these two colors and I'm going to start packing them on my lid with a flat shader brush. That's why I baked, to catch all the fallout and so it doesn't get on my actual face. And then I'm going to use those same colors and I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line. Then I am lining my eyes with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Black Pencil. I'm going to put it all around my waterline. Then I'm going to use this black color and smoke everything out. Smoke the bottom lash line, smoke the upper lash line. Then I'm going to go back to my Iconic London contour palette and I'm going to use that shade to brighten under my eyes and take off all the baking and also all the fallout. Then I'm going to use that color and I'm going to bronze my face and contour it. Then I'm going to use my CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara and I'm just going to coat my lashes with that. Then I'm moving on to my Pixie palette and I'm grabbing that glittery shade and I'm putting it all over my eyelids so it's like a bronzed goddess. Then I'm moving on to my Private Society Glow Getter palette and I'm going to use those two colors to highlight my whole face. Then I'm moving on to my L'Oreal blush and just putting it on my cheeks. Then I'm going to use my Certified Lashes in Aria. I'll put them down below, and I decided to put on some contacts to look like a bad bitch. Then I'm using my Iconic London setting spray, glowy setting spray. The setting spray literally looks like a little shimmer on you, and it's so pretty. I like to spray it on my chest because it gives me like a super nice glow. See? Nice.
Hi, Marie. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Look. Sebastian, come here. You guys already know Sebastian. This is, what are you guys? Are you guys friends?
Yep.
Oh, you guys aren't friends? What are you guys? You don't want to be friends with Sebastian?
No.
You don't know? He's so cute too. Look at him. He's so cute.
And then I'm using my ColourPop So Juicy lip gloss in Beechwood.
But yeah, this is the look. That was it for today's video. Make sure to like and comment down below, and also subscribe because it's free. Also, please comment down what you guys want to watch from me. I'm going to be traveling more, and I'm actually moving back to London on May 26th, so I'm super excited. I only have one vlog whenever I lived in London. I'll link it down below. But a lot of you guys seem to like it. I do a lot of fun stuff in London. There's a lot of stuff to do. A lot of my friends are influencers, so I think it would be really good for me to start vlogging over there, so let me know if you guys want me to do that. Also guys, I filmed this same look in Spanish, so the Spanish video will be linked down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!